Okay, guys, listen. I know I haven't uploaded in a week. I'm sorry. Okay? My bad. But my new schedules are now going to be Saturday uploads. So, like this week, I was supposed to upload from Saturday 3 days, Sunday 3 days, Monday 3 days, Tuesday 3 days, Wednesday 3 days, and then about Thursdays I'm going to be doing, just for every other week, I'm going to be doing one video then. And then other times I'm going to, also we're playing Zombie Attack, and other days I'm going to be doing, only, Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, and then one video on Wednesdays. So, yeah, now I'm gonna wait. Okay. Easy! I guess, easy. Alright. I haven't really ever played this game. Have I? Maybe once or twice. But, yeah, I played it like once. But I haven't really played like it. Like I do other games. Oh, I couldn't move there for a second. That was weird. What's up, dude? How you doing? You like a servicer? Huh? Interesting. I need a mouse pad. I'm using my nightstand. Thing. Really though, I need a mouse pad. I like some kind of like cloth or fabric. Boss incoming? Oh gosh. I didn't think that there was gonna be a boss. I don't think there was gonna be I mean, I guess every game really has a boss, right? Oh my gosh. Whoa, I'm out. See you later. Whoa. Get out. Ow, that hurt. Dude, die. This is so hard. I've never really played this game. I think I played it like once. And I was really good at it that one time. I'm gonna die. I jumped over it. I didn't know you could jump over it. But I guess it was kind of obvious, you know? Do you gain health? Thank God you gain health. Because I'm not able to jump over the thing every single time. And I don't think he gains health, does he? Whoa, lag. That was lag. That was lots and lots of lag. Committed. I jumped over it. Ow, that hurt. Whoa, I died. They got this, though. They got this. Yay! Gosh, wave 12. Okay. Why is there this music? This is weird. Oh, zombie. I thought there was only like boss. Oh, hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. It's a zombie. It's a zombie. Die, my dude. Die, my dude. Dude, die. I forgot you have to press the right click to... Oh, it's a slime. Oh, slimes are harder to kill or something? I guess. Whoa, there's so many zombies. Hello, hi. Whoa, there you go. Oh, the red ones I think are harder to kill, I guess. Whoa, hello. Hello, Mr. Zombie. Mr. Zombie. Mr. Zombie. Oh, gosh. A little help. You can't shift run? Oh, no. Oh, no. How do you get up there? Oh! Scared. Oh, here. Oh, they can't up here too? Oh, God, no. I don't want to. Well, so we thought we were safe. Oh, crud. I am so low on health. And there is a horde of zombies attacking me. Give me that. Give me that. I will throw this stun grenade. Because that is really scaring me. Hello. Is that something? I thought that was something else shooting back at us. Hello. Mr. Zombie? Mr. Zombie, sir, I don't think that, no. Zombie. I did die. I died at you. I died at you. I taught you to die did. I taught you to die did. My aim is terrible. I'm sorry. I have to do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my. There's so many people. Yes, I don't have Robux. I don't like Robux. They're dumb. Somebody help. A little help here. Because that seems like a really strong dude. Oh, what's up, dummy? Yeah, you're easy to kill. Get out. Now, get out. Like, really, get out. Oh, I got a stun grenade. So when there's like a big horde of zombies that come after me, I can like stun them. Stun. Give me the... Oh, stun grenade! Why do you do it on like one zombie? Oh, I can die. Die, mister. Die, mister. Die. Just die. I'm sorry. Come on. Die, Mr. Zombie. Yeah, he's dead. So it seems like they give you like coins or XP. Maybe that's what you do to like buy stuff. Yeah, because I have like $100 now and whatever. Yeah. I'm going to take that. And I'm going to take that. If I can have that. What does a Malvo do? I guess it does stuff that I don't know. I mean, I'm going to assume. Yeah, number 4, oh God. My controls are just not how I like them. Ah! Hello. Ah! Yeah, I can see. Okay. 3. I'm pushing the 3 thing. Yeah. Ah! Yeah, I forgot. Dude, I'm pressing W. Ah! No, I'm not dying now. I'm dead. Yay, you guys. I'm not going to make you guys wait another 150 something seconds, but, yeah. Actually, I just thought, how do you, like, get, like, new guns? Hello? Okay, how do you get new guns? So those are crates. Guns. $250. Ooh, an Uzi. I want an Uzi. How do I get? Can I have that? Can I have? Yeah, but how? Robux shop? Okay. Well, I'm being a zombie. Okay? Nah. Well, sad. Dude, I want to buy a gun. Purchase, I guess? Oh, you have to wait. You have to buy, like, certain, like, so one thing, and then... Okay, that makes sense now. No, where is this dude? Where are people? Zombie! Die! I probably didn't kill it, but... Yeah, I didn't. That was... Oh, somebody has the Uzi, I'd assume? That's an Uzi, right? I don't know. Oh, God! It's a dude. It's a dude. Hello. I will help you, dude. Dude, I'm helping you. I'm helping you, but I'm getting chased now. At least my gun doesn't have to reload, so that's the nice part about it. Die. No, you die. You die too. Die, zombie. Die. Actually, wait, do I want him to die? Yes, I do. It's an angel? Oh my gosh, help me. Help me. Ah! I'm gonna die. I'm just trying to gain health at this point. Dude! People! Yeah, it's just like me and my one dude. Let me over here. I'm over. I'm here. I'm safe. But there's so many. Well, I want to be a zombie, you know? So I just kind of like walk up to people, I guess. Right? So I just kind of like walk up to somebody. Right? Yeah. But I'm so slow. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come here, dude. 17. 2. I only need a couple more dollars and then I can buy. Give me that grenade. That's going to be really helpful. It's a stun grenade. Yes, I know I twitch with my eyes. It is what it is. I don't want to hear in the comments, yeah, no, and you suck, you twitch. Whatever. Like, I don't care, okay? I don't care about your rude comments. I only really care about your nice comments, you know? Because nice comments are nice. I'd assume that'd be pretty obvious, right? Ha! Bring my grenade out. Okay, I got some of them. But there's still a bunch at me. Okay, I'm gonna get a revolver. Is it possible to jump up here? No, it's not. Ha! I'm getting chased. And I'm gonna bring my chasteness to here, you know? Oh my gosh! I'm getting chased. Ah, I don't like this. This isn't pleasant for me. Ah, let me out of here. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? I'm gonna get a new gun. And okay. So, yeah, I bought the revolver, but I gotta wait for the next wave. And, yeah, so. Gucci! Wave 1. I have a revolver now. Ooh, it's like a new place. Okay, seems pretty powerful. Seems pretty powerful. I bet things seem powerful that aren't very powerful. I guess maybe it does like twice the damage. I'm not sure. It just seems powerful. Hey. What's up, Sand Monster? What's up, dude? 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 Come here. Come here. Ow! Ew. Fuck. What? We're gonna be a zombie, okay? We're gonna be a nice, fat, juicy zombie. But, sorry. Just let me. Well, that's fun. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe on this video. Only if you want. And hit that notification bell when you subscribe, just to, you know, if you like my content. Bye. No, bye.